Hi, in today's lesson, we're going to continue to talk about order of operation. Last lesson we learned about PEMDAS, and we also learned what PEMDAS stands for. In today's lesson, we're going to work with this equation while we follow the PEMDAS order. Okay. Now, this question is asking us to subtract, divide, add, and then it also has brackets or parentheses. Okay. Now, if we did not know anything about order of operation, we might get so confused about answering this question. Okay. Because we have PEMDAS in right front of us, it will be so much easier for us to answer this equation as we go down the list of what PEMDAS is telling us to do. Okay, now the very first thing that we need to do is look for parentheses. Do we have parentheses? Of course we do. 7 minus 2 is inside the brackets, so we need to make sure that we do what is inside the brackets first. Okay, now 7 minus 2 is 5, so we're going to write 5. We can cross parentheses out because now that's done with. And what we do with the rest is we just basically write it down. Okay, um, so 10 minus 8 divided by 4 plus it would be 5, and we no longer need the brackets. Okay, the next thing that PEMDAS is telling us to do is exponents. Now we do not have any exponents, so we can just cross that out. That's done with. Next thing that we need to do is multiplication. Now looking at our equation, we do not have anything to multiply. Okay, so this is a step that we can opt out. We can cross it out. There's nothing for us to do in regards to multiplication. And going down the list, we have division. We do have division in our equation. So there's 8 divided by 4, which is 2. And we're going to write that. We're going to cross division out so we know it's done and over with. And then we're going to write 10 minus 2. We don't need to write 8 divided by 4 because we already got that answer, right? So we're just going to add, and we're going to write down 5. Okay, now next thing that we have on the list is addition and subtraction. Now the rule is you do what comes first from left to right. Okay, now in this case we have subtraction first, right? There is subtraction, and then we have addition. Although PEMDAS does say that addition is first and then subtraction, this is the order that you follow. But however, the rule for this is whichever comes first is what you need to do. Okay, now 10 minus 2 is 8. Because subtraction is first, we're going to subtract first. And then we're going to write everything else down the way it is, and we can cross subtraction out. Okay, so we know we're done with that. The only thing that's left for us to do is add. 8 plus 5 is 13, and that would be our correct answer for this equation. Okay, 13.